Feeling stuck, like you're working non-stop, but your bank balance just doesn't grow. Hi, I am Swapnil. Today I assure you that if you give me 3 days of your life, I can help you achieve abundance and prosperity you desire. If bills and loans make you lose sleep and stress and worry are your constant companions, you're not alone, my friends. Many of us are caught in this endless cycle, feeling like happiness and financial freedom are just distant dreams. But what if I told you there is a way out? Our 3-day live online workshop is your key to breaking free. It's not just another course, my friends. It's a life changer. Here is how. For less than the price of a movie ticket or a pizza, you get strategies to move past your financial worries, tools to make your money work for you, and a community that supports you towards success. Plus, you receive free bonuses worth rupees 3,800, including a practical blueprint, a digital course for lasting prosperity, and access to community of like-minded individuals. What's covered in 3 days? Day 1 helps you shake off negativity and stress. Day 2, we plan your wealth journey. Day 3, we show you how to manage your money smartly and practically. It's all about getting from where you are to where you want to be. I know it sounds too good to be true. Why will I give away my top strategies for price? Well, the truth is I don't do this workshop for anyone and everyone. I need you to be serious about creating a change in your life. And that's why the seats are limited, my friends. So, hurry, the seats are filling up. Don't let this chance slip away. Imagine a life where money worries are a thing of past and happiness and abundance are the new reality. That's what we are offering. Take the step, change your life. Join us now. Without this workshop, you might stay in the same loop of stress and worry. With this, you open doors to a brighter, richer future.